Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on core Python skills and a reproducible environment. Install Python 3.10 or newer and create a virtualand for every project so dependencies never clash. Once done, practice the essentials: variables, lists, dicts, functions, and modules. These let you build real features. Make sure to use an IDE with linting and a formatter. It saves hours debugging style and syntax. Start a tiny project, a CLI to parse CSV, so you learn how code runs, tests run. Once you have Python basics, move into web fundamentals and frameworks so you can ship apps. Learn how HTTP, REST, routes, status codes, and headers work. This explains client-server behavior. Then pick a framework. Django gives an integrated full stack. Flask or Fast API lets you focus on APIs. Build endpoints, forms, and authentication. Connect a database with migrations and an ORM. Make sure to containerize with Docker and run local tests, so deployments become predictable and repeatable. You finish by launching, monitoring, and hardening your app so users get reliable service. Deploy to a platform or VPS. Configure env-vars, WSGI or ASCII entry points, static file serving, and SSL. Add logging, health checks, and CI/CD to run tests and linters automatically. If something goes wrong, reproduce the issue locally, read the server logs, and isolate the failing component, database, route, or dependency. Then roll back if needed and fix the root cause before redeploying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.